Girl, I wanna see you twerk. I throw a little money if you twerk. I don't really think you can twerk. Twerk. If you broke, go to work. Make that big booty twerk. Make that big booty twerk.
Hello, my fellow YouTubies, and welcome back to your girl Bianca Chanel XO channel. What up, though? So I'm currently sitting here. It's like I got a late start to today. It's like Monday, like around 1:30, and I'm eating a late breakfast. So I am having some tea. I've really been on a tea kick. I'm having some tea, a dry bagel, and I'm gonna tell y'all why I eat in a minute, and some strawberries and whipped cream, vegan whipped cream. So I'll just show y'all. Here are my strawberries with my vegan whipped cream and my dry bagel. This is the everything bagel. It's the little bagel thins, and some tea. And I'm gonna show y'all the tea that I've been drinking, because like I said, I've been on a tea kick lately. So the tea that I have literally been loving is the lemon lavender lane, and I got this from Walmart. It is so good. I didn't think that I was gonna like it because lavender like is really strong, but it's really good. I have been loving this one. This is the newest one that I bought, and I try to get like a new tea every time I go to the grocery store. So I've been loving this one. I have bought the green tea matcha. This one is really good. If you like matcha tea, it's really good. I like this one as well. I got this one from Target. I didn't see this one at Walmart. Then I got the, I hope I'm pronouncing this right, the Tazu Chai Vanilla Caramel. And this one has caffeine in it. The other ones don't have caffeine in it. They're not caffeinated. But this one has caffeine in it, but caffeine really don't affect me. This one is really good. I've been drinking this one with a little bit of cashew milk in it. And it's really good. But you see the caffeine level is like right here. Oh Lord, focus. But the caffeine level is right there, and it tells you. And then I've been drinking this one, the Sleepy Time tea, and this is the extra Sleepy Time tea, of course caffeine free. For before I go to bed, I like to drink this. It really doesn't necessarily make me sleepy, but it's just like, it does relax you, I'll say that much. So I really been loving these teas. They own the table because I'm trying to pick like which one do I want to drink today, so that's why. So I'm currently about to eat this dry behind bagel, because usually I will put my Daya cream cheese. I have the, I think it's the chive and onion one. It's really good. They have a garden vegetable one too that's really good. But y'all, I left my dang on cream cheese at work because I had a oh, hold on y'all. Ooh, that tea is so good. That lemon lavender tea, bomb. But I had it yesterday when I was at work because I had a bagel for breakfast yesterday. So y'all, I'm so happy. Got the best news ever. Like, my baby is done. My car has been in the shop. It's done. I'm going to go pick him up today. Mr. Black Panther, I need my baby. Like, I didn't have a rental for this last week, and I've literally hated it. Like, don't get me wrong, it's a nice car. It's the same car as my car, but I think a newer year, 2018. My car's 2017. And y'all, I just miss my baby. I want my baby back. Like, ain't nothing like your car. Like, because my car got the tents on it. The rental car don't have the tents on it, and the rental car is like a hybrid, and it just do too much to me. Like, it tell you too much information. Like, it's just a lot going on. So they didn't even call me and tell me that my car was ready. I had to call them today to see if my car was ready. Like, was y'all gonna call me? Was y'all gonna let me know that my baby was ready? Because, honey, this rental ain't cheap. So I need for you all to get it together. So yes, I'm like really excited that I got to go pick up my baby. And since I'm going over in that direction, I need to go to the mall. So I'm gonna go to Oakland Mall, and I might go over to my dad's house today, see what he up to, check up on him. But other than that, I'm about to eat, honey, and then we can get on out of here. So I'll check up with you guys later. What up though, y'all? I'm so excited. I'm back in my baby. Like, y'all, it ain't nothing like your car. Like, I missed my baby so much. Mama missed you, Black Panther. Even though it's only been a week, but ain't nothing like your own car, because even when you do got a rental, you got to drive careful. You got to make sure you doing good. Beware all, well, you should be doing that all the time, but ain't nothing like having your own car, y'all. They did such an awesome job. My baby look so good. Don't even look like nothing happened to my baby. Like, honey, I'm too excited. So I got my baby back. I'm too geeked. But now I'm about to head out to the mall because I gotta go get some perfume and I want to kind of look around a little bit. So I don't know if I'm gonna make it to my daddy's house today. I haven't even texted him to see if he was gonna be at home, but I definitely want to go see him and check up on him. So I don't know if I'm gonna make it there today. If not, I guess you guys will know. But I'm about to head out to the mall. So let's go. So I am in Forever 21 and I have a lot of cute stuff, you guys, that I'm about to try on. Like, I just can't not shop, honey. Like, I be trying, but they have some really cute pieces for spring in here. So but let me get up here before I get copyrighted. They got some really cute stuff in here. So let me finish shopping and let's go try some stuff on. So y'all, I just got home from the mall. Shockingly, I spent more time at the mall than I have in a long time. Forever 21 has some really cute clothes, and so did Charlotte Russe. Well, y'all will see in the previous clips that I did insert what I tried on, but y'all, I had to get that dress from Charlotte Russe, the blue one that you will see in the previous clip to this one. It is so cute, and it's like even cuter on. So I did do a little shopping, just a little bit. And y'all, I haven't been to the mall in the longest time because, like I said, I like to online shop. But this dress, y'all, I got it in a size 2X. This dress from Charlotte Russe is like the cutest. Let me turn it around. It's like the cutest little dress. Like y'all will see it on the bed. Is doing absolutely no justice, but it's from Charlotte Russe, and this is like the style and cue number. If it focuses, focus on me, focus. It's not gonna focus, but yes, you guys, this dress is so cute on, as you guys, like I said, we'll see in the next clip. The only thing I don't like is that it got that little boning in here, which you could easily take out, but it's so cute, so cute. So I got that. I went to Sephora, and I got the Beauty Blender Pro from Sephora. I picked up the Urban Decay eyeshadow primer potion, the original one. It doesn't want to focus because it's trying to focus on something else. There we go. Still barely focusing. Urban Decay eyeshadow primer potion. I got another of the Mademoiselle matte lipstick by Rihanna. Focus. It's not gonna focus. In the color Madame. And you guys, I got the Precious. Maybe it's because of how I got the camera. Maybe that's it. And I got the Anastasia new highlighter. I don't know how you pronounce it. Is it Emrezi? Emrezi? I don't know how you pronounce it, but yes, I picked those up. So I got all of that from Sephora. Then I got some cute jewelry from Forever 21. Look at these hoops, y'all. How freaking hard is it to find hoops this huge? It's so hard to find. These were so cute. Like, I love big hoops. To know me, to know me. So I love hoops. And they were $7.90. Y'all, so cute. I love big hoops. I really wanted silver hoops, but I couldn't pass those big hoops up. Like, they are huge. And I already tore this open because I want to try it on, but it's like the cutest little gold choker. Hold on, let me fix it. And I had to get necklace extenders because your girl got a fat neck, so I had to get necklace extenders. So it's really, really cute. Then of course I had to go to the beauty supply and get some more earrings, some silver earrings. So these were cute. You know, you can't go wrong with the beauty supply. And these were $6.99. So I wanted some big silver hoops, and nobody really had big silver hoops. And I went to my place out at the mall where I get my perfume made, but I'm not gonna show y'all what it is. But it's a place out at Oakland Mall, and they make fragrances, and this is like my favorite scent. I don't want everybody smelling like me, so I'm not going to say, but you get this big bottle for $25, and I love they fragrances. They like last all day. They smell so good. So, oh, and I went to Walmart and got those necklace extenders that I was telling you. So if you like want to wear chokers and stuff, and you know you got a fat neck like me, then get you some necklace extenders. And y'all, I'm addicted. Like, the addiction is so real. Since I can't find a freaking Girl Scout nowhere, I've been trying these, the Oreo Thin Mints. So good. They like their regular mint cookies, but they the thin ones. So good. And yes, these are vegan friendly. Not the healthiest vegan option, but your girl wanted some cookies, so your girl got some cookies. But so that's about it. That's all I bought today. So I'm like starving. I haven't had nothing since the first clip y'all seen earlier, my little breakfast. And I had a couple of my little Oreo thins. But other than that, I'm probably going to make some tacos tonight. Some hard shell tacos, because that's what I'm in the mood for. And I'm about to eat that and relax for the rest of the night. It's been a long day, and I'm just happy to have my baby Black Panther home. Black Panther is my car, if you did not know. My baby is home. My baby look good. Like, it look better than brand new. So that's it. I might check in with y'all and show y'all what my, I'm so tired, y'all. I might check in and show y'all how my tacos came out. So if I don't, then I will see you guys in the next vlog. But if I do, stay tuned.